We use them every single day, for just about everything, right? But sometimes, to really appreciate how wild our world has gotten, you gotta go back to basics. So today, we're gonna pull back the curtain on the computer's hidden world to see how it quietly runs, well, pretty much everything.
Just think back for a second. Do you remember the very first time you ever sat in front of a computer? I mean, that big, clunky monitor, the keyboard that made all that noise? The question back then was the same as it is now, but oh man, has the answer changed. So let's ask it again. What can a computer really do?
At its heart, the definition is almost shockingly simple. A smart device that performs routine activities. That's it. But that one humble idea is the seed for a tech revolution that has completely reshaped our world, starting in the places we know best, where we learn and where we live.
So let's start there, with that first big ripple. How this machine went from being some specialized tool to the absolute center of our personal universe, changing our schools and our homes forever.
Think about schools. The computer has become the institution's central nervous system, and we don't even notice it. It's not just for typing class anymore. It's the thing that builds the entire schedule for the year. It creates the tests and worksheets. It keeps track of every single book in the library, and it even handles the money. It's the invisible backbone of the whole operation.
And then we take that exact same technology, bring it home, and suddenly it's the command center for the entire family. It's where homework gets done, sure, but it's also our movie theater, our arcade, our shopping mall, and our portal to literally all of the world's information. It's become the ultimate Swiss Army knife for modern life.
But that's just our personal world. That very same device from our living room scales up to become the engine driving our entire global economy. The basic jobs it does are pretty much the same, but the impact? It's just massive.
I mean, just look at the world of business. An office can send a report across the planet in an instant. A local shop can print your bill while keeping a perfect inventory. A bank can manage millions of accounts and keep that ATM on the corner running 24/7. It's all the same core stuff, processing and storing information, just at a speed and scale that was pure science fiction not too long ago.
So, we've gone from our homes to the economy, but the story gets even bigger. Now we're zooming out even further to see how computers have become the invisible, absolutely essential infrastructure of society itself. Just think about booking a trip. It feels so simple, right? You just click a button. But behind that one little click, there's this vast, invisible web of computers doing an incredible dance. They're checking schedules all over the world, finding one single seat out of millions, securely issuing your ticket, and then giving you updates in real time. The computer is literally the choreographer for global travel. And get this, computers don't just manage our world, they're helping create it. From the house you live in, designed by an architect, to the car you drive or the plane you fly in, designed by engineers. The computer is the digital drawing board, where our physical world gets dreamed up, tested, and perfected before a single nail is hammered.
And this is where the stakes get as high as they can possibly be. In our hospitals, computers are crucial for keeping patient records straight and helping doctors diagnose diseases. In police stations, they're combing through criminal records and matching fingerprints. And for scientists, they're the key to everything from predicting hurricanes to designing robots to launching rockets into the cosmos. This isn't just convenient, it's critical.
So, when you put it all together, from a kid's homework assignment all the way to a rocket launch, the impact is just undeniable. Our world has been completely rebuilt from the ground up around this one technology. This quote really just hits the nail on the head. It's become incredibly difficult to do even basic, day-to-day things without a computer's help. It's not a luxury anymore, is it? For most of us, it's a flat-out necessity. So the real question is, what have we actually gotten out of this massive shift? Well, it really boils down to 3 game-changing benefits. First, we can talk to anyone, anywhere instantly, which saves a ton of time and money. Second, we can work way faster and make fewer mistakes, which makes everything more efficient. And the big one underlying it all, we have nearly all of human knowledge sitting right at our fingertips. And that kind of brings us full circle, right back to education. The change here has been incredible. Learning isn't just about reading a book anymore. Now it's interactive, it's animated, you can even play games to learn. And maybe the best part is that you can do it all at your own speed, which makes learning so much more personal and, honestly, way more effective. So there's absolutely no doubt about it. Computers have made our lives faster, more connected, and way more productive. They are the invisible engine running our entire world. But this total reliance on them leads us to one last